The shoulder is the joint that's most susceptible to injury because it offers the largest range of motion. And I'm going to show you 2 exercises that can be done at home with no weights that'll have you strengthening this delicate area. Get ready to get strong shoulders. My name is Joey and I'm a certified personal trainer. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to strengthen your body as well as move pain-free. Guys, I'm a stay-at-home parent. I know what being busy is all about, and that's why I want to make this series. I truly believe that you don't need to go to a gym in order to achieve the fitness goals that you desire. In order to get strong shoulders, you first need to become aware of the 4 different positions that your shoulders can be in. The 4 positions of the shoulder are elevation, depression, retraction, and protraction. Let's go through it again. I'm going to elevate my shoulders so that they're close to my ears. I'm going to depress my shoulders so that they're further away from the ears. Pinching together is retraction, and separation of the shoulder is protraction. Elevation, depression, retraction, and protraction. Once you get used to going in and out of all 4 positions, you can start trying to string them together in circular patterns. This is what I call performing shoulder circles. Starting with our shoulders in depression, we're going to pinch them together into retraction. Keeping our shoulders retracted, we will then go from depression to elevation. At this point, we're going to keep our shoulders in elevation, where we go from retraction to protraction. Now, while we keep our shoulders protracted, we will go from elevation to depression. And to complete the circle, we will keep our shoulders in depression and go from protraction to retraction. To go in the opposite direction, once again start with your shoulders in depression. We will then fully protract the shoulders. While keeping your shoulders fully protracted, we will go from depression to elevation. Keeping your shoulders elevated, we will now go from protraction to retraction. As we keep our shoulders retracted, we will go from elevation to depression. And to complete the circle, keep your shoulders depressed and go from retraction to protraction. This is a great warm-up to do as well as conditioning movement for the shoulders. Key points here are to keep your elbows straight and just concentrate on moving the scapula, which are your shoulder blades. And now let's have a look at our shoulder strengthening exercises. Our first exercise is the shoulder push-up. This movement will have you holding your shoulders in depression for its entirety, while moving in and out of retraction and protraction. Before moving the shoulder blades, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your arms are externally rotated to help take up slack in the shoulder joint. When thinking about externally rotating the arms, imagine there's a piece of paper under your hands and you want to rip it apart by spreading it. Now, when you actually go to externally rotate the arms, I want you to understand that you don't actually move your fingers when positioning. All you're really doing is rotating the arms. You should be keeping both pointer fingers parallel to each other, pointing straight ahead. And as I said before, you're just going to rotate the arms. Now that your arms are in position, remember when doing the shoulder push-up, you want to keep your shoulders locked in depression. From there, you're going to pinch the shoulder blades together and then separate them. Repeating the pattern, pinch and separate. Keep your neck nice and long. This will ensure that your shoulders are staying in depression. Now I'm going to show you some regressions and progressions of the shoulder push-up. Also, I really love this new yoga mat that I got. It's really comfortable and durable. If you guys are interested in purchasing one, make sure you go in the description down below because I am a member of the Amazon affiliate program. This is a great way to help support my channel. The second strengthening exercise is the shoulder glide. Now this movement can be done on the hands, just like the previous exercise, but I just wanted to show you guys some more variations, and I'm going to perform these examples on my elbows. This movement will actually have you hold your shoulders in protraction for its entirety. While you're holding your shoulders separated as far apart as they can go, you're going to move in and out of elevation and depression. This movement can be a little hard to perform or to get the coordination at first. Try not to let your shoulder blades pinch together because that means that you're then retracting them. You want to make sure you're keeping your shoulders nice and separated, going in and out of elevation and depression. Here are the two variations that you can do on your elbows. Remember, if you have any questions, I do offer online personal training. More information is in the description down below. And as far as programming goes, it's pretty typical. You can perform 12 repetitions, 3 sets, 3 to 4 times a week. That should be enough to get your shoulders to adapt and become strong and healthy. That way you can prevent injuries in the future. Be sure to watch the videos that are on the screen right now if you want to learn more ways to strengthen your body and move pain-free. As always, this is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.